Welcome back to architutors. Today, we're exploring how to integrate AI-generated color palettes into your Grasshopper scripts to instantly style parametric surfaces. We'll cover two powerful methods: extracting color directly from AI-generated palette images and driving native Grasshopper gradients using AI-generated RGB data. Let's jump right in. First, let's head over to an AI model like Gemini or ChatGPT. I'm going to prompt it to generate a 5-color palette. Let's go with a vibrant cyberpunk aesthetic. In just a few seconds, we get several awesome variations. Save your favorite options to your computer. If your image generator outputs any surrounding text or UI elements, quickly crop the image so only the pure color palette remains. Now, let's jump into Rhino. Start by drawing a simple plane surface using the plane command. Switch your viewport to shaded mode so we can see the geometry clearly.
Type rebuild and increase the segment counts in both U and V directions to give us enough resolution to work with. Turn on the surface control points by typing points on. Grab the gumball gizmo, pull a few points up and down, and reshape the plane into an organic parametric form. Once you're happy with your sculpted surface, it's time to open Grasshopper. Inside Grasshopper, double-click the canvas, search for a surface parameter, right-click it, and select Set One Surface to bring our Rhino geometry in. Add a Move component. Attach a unit Z vector with a number slider and offset the surface vertically by 20 units. Connect the offset surface to a mesh surface component, feeding number sliders into the U and V inputs to control the mesh density. Pass that mesh into a deconstruct mesh component to break down its vertices and face data. Now for the magic step. Bring in an image sampler component. Double-click it and load the cropped cyberpunk palette image we generated earlier.
Click OK. Connect the mesh data into the sampler and pipe the resulting color straight into a mesh color component. Just like that, our AI image maps dynamically across the parametric surface. You can tweak the U and V sliders on the mesh component to adjust the sampling resolution, or swap out the image file to test completely different color moods in seconds. try a second, fully procedural approach. Copy the setup we just built, but delete the image sampler. Connect a deconstruct vector component to analyze the vertex coordinates from our deconstructed mesh. Add a native gradient component and plug it into the mesh color node. Next, head back to your AI prompt and ask ChatGPT or Gemini for exact RGB values for a 3-color cyberpunk theme. In Grasshopper, right-click the gradient component, select a 3-color preset, and double-click to open the color editor. Select each grip point, copy the RGB values provided by the AI, and paste them directly into the gradient stops.
Now, slide those control grips around to alter the blend weight and transition across the surface live in the viewport. Once you find a color flow you love, right-click the Mesh Color component and hit Bake to bring the finalized shaded parametric geometry right back into Rhino for presentation or rendering. That's how seamlessly you can merge AI visual generation with parametric design workflows. If you found this tip useful, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.